Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Coming with a secondary display and a massive 108 megapixel quad rear camera setup with up to 100x digital zoom and super fast 5G network connectivity. (108 megapixel quad rear cameras with up to 100x digital zoom, 108 megapixel wide, 55 megapixel telephoto, 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. (48 megapixel in-display selfie camera). 6.91 inches dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 1440 by 3200 pixels, containing Gorilla Glass 6 and 120Hz touch sensing. Lithium-ion 5100 mAh battery with super fast charging at 50 watts and wireless charging supported. IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Snapdragon 865 processor and GPU Adreno 650. 12 and 16 GB RAM, 128 GB to 256 GB storage option with UFS 3.0. Subscribe for more updates.